Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing awesome. I am called Daughter of Zion, and I want to thank you for passing by my channel today. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and also share my video. So actually today I'm going to be teaching us on the easiest way on how to cut an off shoulder half length or an off shoulder top. So let's go directly to the cutting. So I'm going to be using this Ankara fabric and Ankara print. I'm going to be using this. I have my scissors here and I have my tape, and I have my tape here, and I also have my a piece of chalk for this work. So this is my fabric here. I'm going to like open it up and fold it into, I'm going to fold it into four. I'm going to fold it by four. As you can see, you can, if you like, you can cut it one after the other, but I want to cut both the front and the back together. So you fold it, to fold it by four, you first of all fold it by two. As you can see, I've already folded by two here. As you can see, I already folded it by two. So you fold it again. I'm going to fold it again. You take it this on this other edge here and fold it again like this. By this is already by four, so I'm folding it by four. The measurement I'm going to be using for this I'm going to be using for this off shoulder, I'm going to be using, I have my bust round measurement, I have my full length. I'm going to be using my bust round, my full length. I'm going to be using my neck measurement, and I'm going to be using my armhole measurement. So firstly, we are going to go directly to the full length. To have your full length, please make sure you shape your material well. As you can see, it's not straight here, so I'm just going to shape it to be straight. You shape your material well so that it can be straight. So as you can see, I've shaped it well, and as well I can still draw my start point. I'm going to use my free hand to draw my start point where I'm going to start my measurement. So to start my measurements, let me see if I can fix the camera so that you can see well. Okay, so this is my fabric here. As you can see, this is my fabric, and here is my start point. This is my start point here. So for my full length, I'm going to like minus 4. As you can see, this is 4 inch here. So you put it this way, you place your 4 inch this way. As you can see, I've minus 4 inch. If you see my tape, this is 4 inch upward this way that I've minus. You minus 4 inch. My full length measurement, let me say my full length. If my full length is 15 inches, if I want to sew a gown for myself and I want to cut a half length, I can say that let me minus 4 inch, then my half length is 15 inches. So I place my 15 inches this way. You mark your 15 inches while you minus your 4 and place it on your start point. You minus your 15 inches. So you minus 4 inch, then you mark 15 inches. As you can see guys, this is the line here, the 15, this is my start point. If I can, it is good that I add half inch for joining allowance, because I'm going to be joining the down part. I'm going to add half inch for joining allowance, so that at the end of my, when I finish sewing my dress, I will not have any shortage. So I add half inch for which I'm going to join the down part of my gown or my top. So for your armhole measurement, you still minus that 4. If I want to see to find my armhole measurement, I'm going to minus 4. My armhole measurement can be 8. It depends on how many on how fat, how slim the person is. You can still place it on 7. If the person is fat, you can put it on 9. So you minus that 4 inch. As you can see, guys, if you can see, my tape is still upward. Look at this. I've minus 4 inch upward from my start point. I've minus 4 inch. So from here, I'm going to mark 8 inches, which is my armhole measurement. I mark 8 inches, which is my armhole measurement. As you can see, this is where my bust round lies. This is where I'm going to take my measurement. So from here, I'm just going to minus the I'm just going to place the 8 inches this way. Then I draw a straight line. That is already for my bust round. This is where I'm going to divide my bust round. My bust round measurement is 36 inches, sorry. So 36 inches. So as you can see, this is my 36 inches here. 36 divided by 4. This is the easiest way I use to cut my off shoulder. 36 inches divided by 4 is 18. 18 divided 36 inches, sorry, 36 inches divided by 4 is 9 inches. So I will place my 9 here on this point where I marked my armhole line. I'll place my 9 inches here. Then I add 1 inch for sewing allowance. For my waist measurement, my waist measurement is 32 inches. 32 divided by 4 is 8 inches. So I place my 8 inches this way, mark it. Since it is my waist measurement, I'm going to be holding a normal tux allowance. We always have our tux so that to have a fitting on whatsoever thing that you want to sew, whether it is anything that is fitting, you have to put a tux. You have to put a fitting allowance. So I'm going to put 1 inch for fitting allowance, 1 inch for sewing allowance. Then I'll be joining these lines together. As you can see, just watch me as I join the lines together. I'll be joining these lines together. I'm using my free hand to join the lines together. As you can see, I've joined it together. Then now, for us to have our armhole, I'm going to first of all mark my neck measurement. I want my neck to be open at 3 inches. My neck opening to be 3 inches. I will mark my 3 inches this way. Then to have your neck deepening, you must minus that 4. Note that anytime when you want to walk around this line like this, you must minus the 4 inch you first of all started with. So I will minus my 4 inches. So I place it on this start point. Hope you can see that. Guys. Hope you can see that. So this is as you can see, this is my 4 inch. I want my neck measurement to be, I don't want my neck to be too deep. I don't want my neck measurement to be too deep. So I'm going to mark 6 inches for my neck deepening. Why I minus that 4 inch. I'll mark 6 inches for my neck deepening. So when you mark it, I want my neck measurement to be a round neck. So I'll just take it this way. Can you see that? You just round it. You can just use your free hand to round, to shape it. If you have your curve ruler, you can still use your curve ruler to do it, but I don't have that. So for my armhole measurement, for my armhole, as you can see, this is my neck opening. From this neck opening now, I'm going to draw a straight line, or you can, at least if you like, you can curve it a bit. Or you draw it straight, but it's good that you curve it a bit. So I'm going to Can you see that? Hope you can see that, guys. Can you see that? So this is my armhole measurement. This is where I'm going to fit my sleeve. When cutting my sleeve on our next video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't also forget to like and share my video. So on our next video, I'm going to be showing us on how to cut the minors an off shoulder sleeve, on how to cut an off shoulder sleeve. I usually upload my videos every Mondays and on Fridays. So guys, this is how we do it. I'm just going to cut it off and show you. You cut it off. Cut your armhole. Note that the 4 inch that you minus, you are going to like cut it back on your sleeve. It is your sleeve that will complete the measurement. I want my back and my front neck to be at the same level, so I'm just going to cut it all around. So as you can see, guys, this is my off-shoulder dress. I'm just going to hold my tucks. When I'm sewing, I'll hold my tucks. I have my front and my back measurement. So guys, I want to thank you for passing by my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video. Bye.